how to make a free website using Canva. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a Canva tutorial to show you how to create a free website using Canva. So let's get started. First, what you guys have to do is you will go to canva.com and you'll land right here on this platform. Canva is an online designing tool that allows you to create logos, you can create presentation, edit videos, photos, design posters, t-shirts, and more. So today I'll show you how to create a professional, aesthetically pleasing website using Canva for free. I will be using the free version, and you can also sign up for canva.com with your email address or your Google account, and you can choose a free version of Canva, and then you will be able to avail all of the features that are given here. So let's get into the process. On Canva, you can see we have different options available, and we have different layouts and templates that we can use. In order to create a website, I'm just going to search right here in the search bar for website. So once you search for a website, you will see it will actually give you some of the different templates available. So we have like a website template, which is going to be 1366 by 768. This is going to be a website page, or we have a real estate website too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go with a simple website, and Canva will open up the different templates for me and I'll be able to choose from them. All right, so you can see we have website templates available. We can also select our, style from here. We can select a theme. If it's a business website, corporate website, or a photo website, then we can select a color. So we have different templates available, and you can just choose from a template that you think is good for your business. Let's say that we're creating a website today for our business, right? Let's create a website for the channel. And so for that, you can see I'm getting a lot of different templates. Keep in mind the one with the crown are pro Canva templates. So if you want to create a free website, then you will not be able to choose these pro ones, but there are a lot of templates available for the free website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose this one right here. So let's open it up. It has 6 pages. This is going to be our first page. If we scroll down, load more and more pages for me. This is our main website. It looks very professional. With Canva, we can play around with different photos and videos. We can add graphics, and we can create a very aesthetically pleasing website. So let's get into the different elements that we can add to our website. So we have selected a template. Now I will go to elements. So you can see in collection, we have like business account icons, we have social icons that are important for a website. Then we have button options. So buttons are also very important. So you can just select the button and add the text. Another thing that you will do before getting into the canvas right here, you can just go to the upload section of your Canva and you will upload few of the images for your website. This is where you will upload your team images, you will upload your logos, your videos that you want to add to your website. To upload, just click on upload an image or video. It will open up a folder in your computer and you can just select the image. Once it's done, we can go back to the elements. And here we have our main, text. To add a text to a website, you can go to the text section here and you can add a text box. You can add a heading, subheading, or a body text as well. So a heading is already added, and I'm just gonna customize the name. So just click right here, backspace, and erase it, and then add your text. So I'm just gonna write the name for the channel, the social guide. Okay, perfect. We can select from different fonts available on Canva. There are multiple fonts available for free. Then we can select the text color. We can make it bold, and that's what I'm going to actually do. Let's make it a little bold. And also change the text color so it's more visible. So I'm going to go to the text color here and select this color, which is the theme of our website. So this is what it looks like. And now I can change and customize the button given here. We can select the button, and after that we can add a link to our button. So adding a link is really easy. You can just right click and you get all the different options. You have copy, paste, delete, and then we have a link. click on the link option, and this is where you will add the link of your YouTube channel. You can add a link for your other website, other pages, any article, blog that you want to add to your website. This is our main banner image. I can customize it, of course. So let's change it. Maybe let's change it to something related to YouTube. So we can also search on Canva, and Canva has thousands of images available for us, graphics, photos that we can add to our websites, or you can upload from here. So let me actually show you how to change an image. Let's just select any of these, or maybe we can select a theme or something like that. Okay, so you can see, let's add this image as a background. So you just need to scroll and drop it right here. All right, we can actually delete the previous one. And now I'm just gonna adjust the size. All right, so this is what it looks like. We can change the text color maybe, because I think this one is not that visible. So we can go with maybe black, okay, or white. We can also make this image a little transparent, because I think that will actually make our text pop out. Select the image, go to the transparent option here, and you can see I will actually make it a little transparent. This is the image. Let's make it transparent. Perfect. So now the text is more visible. Then we have our button. We can scroll down to customize more. This is our text, and I'm gonna edit the text here. YouTube channel. Again, I can edit the image. We can add different frames to our website and then add the images. Let's add this image. So just drag and drop it right here in the frame. The image will be customized. And now I can customize the text. Let's say this is another section, another page. So we have two images right here. I want to add something else. So I'm gonna go to the elements section, and here I'm gonna add some social icons on my website. In order to do that, you'll just scroll down to elements, and then we're gonna search for social icons here. So I'm gonna select this one. Okay, so we have Facebook. That's what I'm gonna add. Instagram. And let's add Twitter. Okay, so my elements have been added. I'll actually place them here so that I can show you. They're pretty big. I'll actually make them smaller. So you just drag and kind of like drag inwards to make something smaller or bigger. Just click on it, drag your mouse, and you have your small icons. All right, now it's time to place them. So I'm just gonna place them right here. We can adjust different elements and we can move them according to our website page. So let's add these socials here. Perfect. So this is how you can add the social. Again, just right click and then you will add the link of your social to your website. Moving on, we can add a video to our Canva website. So this is like one of the testimonial page. Let's say I want to add a video. So for that, you can just go to the elements maybe. And in elements, I'm going to search for a video. So you can see we have different videos. This one, simply drag it and drop it where you want it to be. You can customize more on Canva. You can add your images right here, the text, and then you can add videos and make sure to edit the text, of course, add testimonials. And it's a very easy platform to use. If you are a complete beginner on Canva, you can see right here, this is our home option. You can give your website a name. So I'm just going to change the name for my document and I'm just going to call it website. Then we have preview option, publish website, and share. This is the publish option. Let's actually get a preview of the website that we created with Canva. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic and I hope that you understood everything and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So, yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question?